Welcome to Learn Salesforce CPQ. This is Pramod, and in this video we are going to explore how to generate the multiple contracts using single quote. So right now I'm on the quote record, and you must be aware about that you can generate the multiple contract with the help of multiple orders. So on this quote record you can see that the order checkbox is there. Then if you want, you can generate the orders based on the number of quote line group, and on top of that you can also use the custom fields to segregate the multiple quote lines into the different orders. But what happen if you do not have order process in your contracting part? So how you can target multiple contract using single quote record? So let me go to the edit line. Let's set the price book first and start with adding the group. So on this group you can see that there is a checkbox field called separate contract. Now how you can enable this field here? Go to the object manager, open the quote line group configuration. There is a field set called line editor. So you need to drag this field separate contract to this field set so that CPQ will display that field into the quote line editor. So now let's get back to the quote line editor and start adding some products here. Let me add some random product. This is test data completely. Okay, let me add this hardware. Hit the save. Add more subscription based product. Okay, for now let's rename it to the C1. Now I'm adding second group. Just for reference, I'm adding that group name as a C2. Add product again, and let me add the only single subscription based product here. And now in order to generate the separate contract, you need to select these fields. So if this is something like mandatory in your process, then you may not need to display this field here. Internally with the help of workflow rule, you can set that field, auto populate that field while saving this record. Alright, so we have configured two groups and enable the separate contract checkbox there. So let me change the status to the approved and then get back to the opportunity. So right now we don't have any contract here, so fine. So let me change this stage to the closed one and hit the save. Since this is my fresh instance, so I haven't done any automation here, so let me check the contracted is equal to true here. Hit the save. Okay, now here you can see that we have now two contract. So that's it for this video. Thank you.